What are the 10 best ways to make money online right now, this time in 2023? And it doesn't matter whether you have $1 in your account right now or whatever, you're already one step away from making $1,000+ by simply clicking on this video. So if you're looking to start earning some serious money without an investment, we've got you covered in this video because we're going to talk through top 10 most effective methods to help you earn money online with $0 initial investment, no hidden agendas, no financial investments required from you to get up and running. You've seen it all before, the enticing promises to make money online for free, except they're never actually free. There's always a twist, a hidden cost, or an upfront investment required. And it makes sense. According to the U.S. business formation statistics, 5.07 million new business applications flooded the country last year. But there's hope for you, so don't worry. Keep watching this video until the end to break free from your boring, exhausting, or otherwise less than ideal job and become your boss from the comfort of your home. There are lots of chances out there, but it's important to realize that the time to get ahead is getting shorter, so you need to act fast. If you're good at organizing and planning, you can make some extra money by working as a virtual assistant online. Being a virtual assistant means you'll be doing tasks like handling social media, answering emails, and taking phone calls for a business. There's a growing demand for virtual assistants, especially with more people running their own businesses. To get started, you can look for virtual assistant jobs on websites like Upwork, Indeed, or Virtual Assistant Jobs. On average, virtual assistants make about $27.09 per hour. Some virtual assistants have done well by creating their brand and offering their services to entrepreneurs and startups. You can do this by making a Facebook business page for free and sharing it online to promote what you offer. If you have a knack for efficiently using Google and other trusted platforms to find specific information, there are countless opportunities for you to make money online for free. Many companies hire people like you to find reliable and relevant information for them. All you need is a computer and internet access. Some companies that often need online researchers include Wonder. They hire virtual researchers to find quality answers to their clients' questions. This might involve gathering statistics, explaining market trends, or figuring out competitive landscapes. 10 EQs. They look for industry experts who can research and answer questions related to their specific fields. If you know a lot about a certain industry, you can apply to join their team and work on real research projects. You can also check out internet research jobs on websites like Upwork and Indeed. Are you creative enough? Then create a Patreon account to monetize your creative tasks effectively. As a membership platform, Patreon empowers artists and creators to receive financial support from their fan base. By encouraging followers to subscribe and pay a monthly fee, you can generate income for your video, podcast, or any music projects. For a successful Patreon presence, entice your supporters with intriguing offerings that make their subscription worthwhile. Engage them in your creative journey, provide exclusive content tailored for their enjoyment, or offer behind-the-scenes insights. What you need to do is explore various reward ideas to actually entice your audience and enhance their patronage. The process to join Patreon is straightforward and cost-free. The platform only deducts a modest percentage once you start earning, making it a financially viable option for creators. This one is really easy for beginners. Some companies offer payments and free products in exchange for testimonials on their sites, while others pay for evaluations of website quality and performance. During website reviews, you'll access functionality and loading speed. Your earnings depend on the marketplace and testing methods you choose. Opting for one-on-one testing sessions via video conferencing often leads to higher payouts. Join reputable platforms like user testing for app and website testing. Try My UI for impression and survey-based testing, and test Birds for digital product and app testing. The best part? No sign-up fees. Start making money by reviewing websites today without any upfront investment. Do you think you've got what it takes to market and promote effectively? Then it's time to put your marketing skills to good use and start earning by joining an affiliate program. When accepted, you'll receive a unique affiliate link to promote products, services, or brands across various platforms. Your earning comes from commissions when someone purchases through your shared link. And you also get credit for the referral. Commission rates vary depending on the affiliate program and the promoted product. While basic items on platforms like Amazon may not yield much, promoting digital services such as web hosting could bring in substantial earnings, potentially hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Here's the kicker. Affiliate marketing isn't limited to blog promotions. You can even use your social media accounts such as Instagram and Facebook to promote businesses and make money through affiliate marketing. Start maximizing your marketing power and turn it into an endless online income stream. Ever dreamt of being a YouTuber? Well, now you can turn the dream into reality without breaking the bank. All you need is your smartphone to film unboxing videos, product tutorials, or hilarious skits. Setting up your YouTube channel is free and easy. Just sign in with your Google account. Create a new channel with your name or a custom one, and you're good to go. Owning a YouTube channel opens up various money-making opportunities. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers, you can start earning by running ads on your channel. Also, you can collaborate with brands for sponsored content, sell your merchandise, or become an affiliate to further monetize your content. The key to a growing YouTube channel is finding your niche. Whether it's beauty tutorials, tech product reviews, or daily cryptocurrency price updates, focus on what you're passionate about and watch those views roll in. Love sharing your insights and opinions? Get paid for it by participating in paid market research studies, where you can earn $50 per hour or more. Focus groups are a fantastic way to express your thoughts on specific products, branding, or ideas, and you might even get asked about your opinions on competing products or businesses. Participating in focus groups can be done in person or online, and the best part is that they're generally free to join, offering generous compensation to participants. Check out platforms like User Interviews, Respondent, L&E Research, 2020 Panel, and take part in research to find exciting opportunities. During these sessions, a moderator will guide discussions, take notes, and record the session. If you opt for online focus groups, you can easily join discussions via video software on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. It's a great way to make money while sharing your valuable insights. Turn your knack for finding the best flight deals and vacation packages into a work-from-home opportunity by becoming a virtual travel agent. As a virtual travel agent, you get paid to help people in planning their vacations and personal travels. Many individuals turn to travel agents to navigate the complexities of logistics, such as connecting flights, accommodations, and sightseeing tours, making their trips more enjoyable. I know AI is here, but it isn't as helpful as people think it is, so of course human skills are still needed. The good thing is you don't need any special certifications to become an online travel agent. What you do need are strong research and organizational skills to plan seamless trips within your clients' budgets. To make your offerings better, consider partnering with various companies to access discounts that you can pass on to your clients. Start your journey as an online travel agent and turn your passion for travel into a rewarding home-based business. Maybe it's the right time to monetize your passion for photography by selling your photos online. If you have a collection of images on your hard drive or enjoy taking regular snapshots, you can make money by selling them to stock agencies. Every time someone downloads one of your photographs, you'll receive a commission, either a fixed amount or a percentage determined by the stock image site. Explore these top websites to sell your photos online: Burst, Shutterstock, Alamy, iStock. Create a beautiful collection around a specific theme to potentially earn a good income. The beauty of this venture is that each image you upload can be sold repeatedly. Keep in mind that some platforms may require exclusivity for your photos, but the potential for recurring income makes selling photos online a lucrative opportunity. Do you have expertise in gaining followers on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest? Then you can earn money online by offering social media consultancy services. Position yourself as a go-to consultant for brands seeking assistance with creative ideas, video production, and more. As a social media consultant, use your existing profiles as a portfolio to showcase your skills. Market yourself in digital marketing groups and forums, and be sure to include a link to your portfolio in outreach emails to agencies. Looking for inspiration? Take a cue from Lucas O'Keefe's story. His journey began with a viral TikTok video that transformed into a thriving consulting business, helping brands build a big following on social media. Your skills could be the key to unlocking a successful career in social media consultancy. This ranks high on our list for a reason, because businesses are either to socialize, and you could be an excellent fit for that. After all, in today's world, who doesn't know how to leverage social media? As we face challenges such as recession, the opportunities to make income online without any initial investment are increasingly abundant. You can take advantage by engaging in activities such as affiliate marketing, starting a YouTube channel, providing social media consultancy services, or even something as simple as selling your photos online. It only requires a modest amount of effort and time to begin reaping the rewards of your objectives.